everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have got a box, but this is no ordinary box. I actually purchased this. It is a reseller box I got off eBay. So let's see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Have you ever been on eBay and you found reseller boxes? Well, we actually are going to start purchasing those and do a review on them. And so let me show you what the listing look like. So here's the listing that I ordered off eBay for. It's a women's reseller wholesale bundle surprise mixed clothing lot of 5 for $30. All new with tags. And so it was originally priced $30. I sent an offer for $20 right here, as you can see, and they accepted that offer for $20. It was free shipping, and so this is basically the only picture that was there. And then this is the information in the details. It says item specifics: new, a brand new, unused, unopened, undamaged, including handmade items. See the seller's listings for details. So this says women's reseller wholesale bundle surprise lot clothing of all 5 new with tags. Condition is new with tags. Shipped priority mail, which it was. Sent 5 brand new articles of women's clothing, sizes from extra small to triple extra large, and will be sent randomly. They're tops, slacks, jeans, leggings, sleepwear, underwear, coats, and more. So I think what it is they have a bunch of clothes, they put them all in boxes, and they don't know what's in what box. You just get what you get. Every piece still has the tags attached. Great for resellers. Most pieces are valued at $24 and up. Great deal. All from department stores. These are overstocked items, not returns, and that's very important, this right here, because returns a lot of times might have damage, and that's why they've been returned. So this was the listing that I found for this reseller lot. It is being sold by Forehead 2009. They have 100% positive feedback, 174 stars. So they're a relatively new seller, but we're going to see exactly what kind of stuff we get in. So let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, moment of truth. Let's get in it. We're going to be very careful. We're not going to have a very long blade because it's supposed to be clothing, and I don't want to cut any of it. So it's supposed to be 5 items, like the listing said, new with tags, and they're supposed to be shelf pulls, not customer returns. So I'm hoping that that's the case. So far we've got, what is this? This is a skirt. Clearly the tag is on it. It's a pleated skirt. This is a New Day. So that's not a cheapo brand. It looks like a department store brand.
That's a Target brand.
That's a Target brand. All right, so this is a Target brand, but it looks like $22.99, size 8. So that's unfortunate. It said department stores, and this is a Target brand. So, but it's in good sellable condition. For sure, I'll put that on my Poshmark store, so that's what's going to happen. We will put all these on my Poshmark store. Here is a New Day, $27.99. It's a dress, size small, kind of an orangish floral dress.
How's the condition? The
condition is perfect. Definitely resellable. No nicks, no picks, no nothing. Here's the tag. All right, here is a New Day brand. So these are all Target brands. $17.99 medium tank top with little kind of drinks and glasses, kind of wine cups and things like that on it. Peach colored. There's that one. And then let's see. This is a New Day. $24.99 is the original retail price, and it's a skirt. Kind of a cotton black skirt with pleats on it, size large. So these are standard sizes. I was kind of hoping for some plus sizes and did not get any plus sizes. And then here is a universal thread. So yeah, this is clearly all Target stuff. $24.99, size large, universal thread. It's kind of a romper. Is it a romper? It's a dress. It's got little pockets here. So everything is in great resellable condition. Like I said, I only spent $20 total on this. Can I make more than $20? I think I can. So we're going to go ahead and kind of add all this up and figure out how much am I going to make on this reseller box. All right, so I did some research. I looked up on Poshmark only these items, and I actually found all of these items that actually sold. So these are the numbers, what they sold for on Poshmark. So let's walk down through them. So this orange dress, actually in the size small, because the sizes do matter, because an extra large is going to sell for more money than an extra small or a small. So I actually found this actual dress it sold for $11. After Poshmark fees, you will get $8.05. Then this cream colored or kind of peach colored tank top, I found the exact one. It sold for $10, and you will actually, after fees, receive $7.05. And then both of these black skirts and this brand in these sizes will each sell for, they actually sold for $8. After fees, you're going to get $5.05 a piece. So $5.05 and $5.05 for your Poshmark fees. After fees, $5.05 each. Then this blue kind of romper dress, I saw that one, and it sold for $10. And you're going to receive $7.05 a piece. So after fees, you're going to receive $32.25 that you actually get to put in your pocket. Remember, I spent $20. It was listed for $30. I offered $20. They shipped it to me, free shipping. So this was actually not a bad buy. I'm actually going to come out positive $12.25 and only have to list 5 items. So I wasn't blown away by that number, but I also didn't feel like it was a ripoff. So this was actually a good buy from this reseller box. So I will profit $12.25 from this reseller. Hopefully it's been fun to see what I got from this reseller box. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hopefully it's been fun to see me review this reseller box. It came in a box this size. Perfect if you don't have a lot of space. So if you're not a subscriber, check me out. Also, check out hookedonpickin.com. I also have some things for resellers available. And if you want to watch more of my videos, check those out. But again, if you need to start out, this is a perfect buy for a reseller box.